Today we are going to talk about identical twin consonants. This is when we have twin letters in a word that has more than one syllable part. Take a look at the image to your left. Here is a puffin. Now when I say that word to myself, I hear puff, fin. I hear two syllable parts. As always, when we are doing our words, coding our words, we always zone in on our vowels. My vowels here are U and I. Let's take a look at our first syllable part. My first syllable part is puff. Puh, f. Notice that I have identical twin consonants, but my first twin consonant in my first syllable part is saying a sound. My second syllable part is thin. Same thing. My second identical twin consonant is making a sound. So this word has actually 6 sounds where each identical twin consonant represents a sound. Let's take a look at another word. This word is kitten. Kitten. Again, I have identical twin consonants in my word, and I also have 2 syllable parts. My first syllable part is kit. Notice that it makes a sound, k, it. The first T represents a sound, 10. The second T in the second syllable part represents a sound. And here, as in my first word, my first syllable part is closed and my second syllable part is closed. My next example is a muffin. It's great to eat for breakfast. Muffin. Here I have my identical twin consonants, which are my F's, and I have 2 syllable parts, muff, fin. Again, each one of my identical twin consonants represents 2 different sounds. F, I, They are not working together because they represent, when I say that word out loud, they represent 2 different syllable parts. Each twin consonant makes a sound of its own in a word. We have looked at words that had SS, FF, and LL. Notice where they are in the word. The first word, hissing. When I put that word into syllable parts, I would divide it between my S and my I. But the SS is making one sound because we know that says one sound at the end of a word or a syllable part. It says S, cliff. The FFs are working as one team. Heel. The LL is working as one team. So these are where the words, these teams are working at the end of a word or a syllable part, but they are not divided when we say the word. In your next activity, you're going to be working on segmentation. You will be asked to build words with more than one syllable with an identical twin consonants. And you're going to continue to use your vowels and consonant circles along with your blue rectangles that represent syllable parts. This is the end of our lesson today. If we have any questions, we know that we can email me with any questions that you have. Have an awesome day.